notes na faster. Ituduan ka niya rhythms, to practice by rhythms, groups of notes. Ituduan ka niya, ituduan ka. Tukar ko na, may ituduan mo. Ang right hand lang, only right hand. May ituduan para sa right hand, kung saan niyo magtuon, kung saan niyo pagpa-clear, kung saan pagpa-fast. Sa notes, ang right hand. Paano yung left hand out? Okay. Sige, play a few, 1 or 2 bars of the right hand. Kana lang. Ito na, 1 bar na. Okay, 1 bar. So, kana 1 bar times 100, that's the whole first section. Kung saan pa yan itulo niyo, saan niyo pag-study. Baka na itulo yun. O, take out your left hand, the L. Right hand na yun. Yun sa man yung study ang imong kana, right? O ako mag-right hand, imong get together, tanan, right away. Diretso lang imo. Naman, umido, imong mata-mata. How did you begin when you began, please? How did you read it? Yun sa man imo, read. Sige, tuloy ko. I-demonstrate, tuloy mo yan. Ipakita na mo kung sige saan mo. Okay, that's one way, no? That's accent on the first beat. Pero, what can you tuloy yung rhythms? For example, no? Kahit so, okay, we need to gain strength and speed. So, ang ibang not only accent but to stop. One measure lang. Ta-ta-ta-tam. Okay, that's one measure, no? Now make it slower. Stop on the long note longer. Make the faster notes faster and make everything strong. Okay, play it mga 3 times. Very good. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Okay, faster and stronger. Ta-ta-ta-tam, ta-ta-ta-tam, ta-ta-ta-tam. Very good. Sige pa. Sige pa. Okay, one measure na siya, pero bali, duha kay mo repeat man siya. Kunya, ang katong third measure, katong mo continue. Katong padong okay. Play that measure. But stop on kada. Parehas sa akin. Stop as long as you want. Take your time. Stop. Para ma-prepare niyo yung band. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sige, continue. Continue. Very good, very good. Sige, again. Take your time. Stop longer on the long note. Faster and stronger on the fast notes. pagsugod. Okay, pagsugod na dito sa taas. La. Okay, that's all. So, balik 4 measures na na, no? So, diya lang po to. Balik to sa uno. Karon, stop on the second note. So, ang imong first beat, na kay 3 notes na kayo sa kasing note, diba? Kani? Na kay bakanteng 16th rest. So, kung stop ka din, stop on the second note man. Stop on the second note of every group of 4. Sige. Yes. 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 Do. Sige. Do. Oh, stop on do. Oh, ayaw nagbalik yan. Okay. Kana mapuga gyud imong memory ani. So, sure ka ani nga imong fingers are very strong. Sige. Oh, stop on the do sharp. Diba? Second. Yes. Okay. Again. Yes. Down. The second note is do sharp. Sa third beat. Oh, usap na lang. Yes. And then do sharp. Yes. Okay. So, kanang pag-practice ka ni, dili memorize. Ana agad ang pyesa para not guesswork, not yes, maybe don't. Sigurado good, no? Okay. We'll try. Stop on the third. Yeah, on the do, stop and accent on the third beat. Or the third note of every beat. Yes, yes, correct. Do sharp, stop, strong, and accent on the third note of every group. Do sharp. Yeah, oh, stop on the do sharp. Yes. Yes. Yes, on the re sharp. Sige na. Okay. Yes. Yes. Again. So, concentrate ka tayo again. Stop good. Stop and strong. La. Stop on the la. Katunaman nga no. Yes. 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 Okay. So, it's a little hard in the beginning. Pero, you see what it is doing? It is giving every note in every group a chance to play well and strong and quickly. No? So, kuwang ba ito kayang practice, ano? Pero we will try. Stop on the fourth note of every group. Sunod na passage ito. Stop on the fourth note. On the fourth note. Let's do stop on the first sa para makita nato ang first note of every four. Down. No, stop. It's strong. Accent. Yes. Mhm. Okay, it's a little hard to do for the first time without the music. Kinahanglan na figure ang music, no? Of course, I'm not expecting you to. This is something entirely new. It's new to the ear, new to the fingers, but if you have your eyes on the music, it will be a big help. And the purpose of this exercise is number one, to gain strength, to gain speed, and later on, to have a different and lighter touch. But, of course, we cannot do it in 2 days. Until Friday na rin. So, don't worry about it. But, keep it in your mind. It has been told to you this is a system, a way to practice, and a big tool. We call it a tool. More of carpintero without my hammer and tools. Yeah. That's one of the tools you can use for your studies. Okay. That's for strength and speed, and then it will help your memory very much because you know exactly where everything is. Okay, that's number one. Number two, our middle section is about singing tone. Can you play here on my hands? Can you? Can you play that on my hand? Okay, go. So again. Okay. Kantatan. Can you play that here on your hand? Okay. Mana yung mga pwede no? Can you play it here? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, just up to there. I will play the same thing that you played there, no? I did here, no? Bisag, bati akong kaniyo, tanaw, bati na kayo, but I will play, ha? Up to there. Unsa may imong feeling sa akong pagtukar ni dinhi ug sa pagtukar nimo ani diri? Strong and connected. So again, on this hand, play here. Okay, up to there. That hand, please play here. Okay, when you played here, when this hand played here, the second time, did you feel a difference from the first time? Did you do something different? Did you feel something different from the first time you played? You did. Okay, try to do it here. Right hand only, never mind the left. Try to do it like the second time you played it. Okay, karon kung tanong nato si maestro, o naka-feel ba siya difference? Kaning last time yung pagtukar anang melodiha kaysa ganiha, naka-feel ka of difference?
Mas articulate siya, mas clear.
Okay.
Mas
ang-
strong.
Okay. Tanan yang giingon eksakto, no? Which already you sort of expressed. So this is what we call the singing tone. We have to try to achieve a singing tone when you have very lyrical melodies. Okay, how do we achieve a singing tone? Not only by playing stronger like this, of course connected, but definitely strength has something to do with it. But what we will try to do is we try to play very deep. Or deep ba? Every note, imong i-play deep. So, muto ka lang tag do, re, mi, fa, sol. Muna ni. You play each note. Murag imong i-pull down. So, bisag gamay, bisag kumingking na ay deep sound. Try. Dili lang. Do. Oh, wait, ha? Ang ako. Try to get that volume. Yes. 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 Okay. Very good. Okay. Kita ka sa imong gihimo, imong gitukar, ana niya imong gi-pull. Pull down. Sige, one more time. Yes. Yeah. Sige, 5 na balik sa 1. 4. 4. Pull down. Yeah, soft at the end, no? Please try. Ako kabati sa first note. Naman ako. Yes. Down. Pull. Pull down. Pull down. Sige, continue. So loud. O nga na siya labot sa melody. Ha? May labot na siya. Again. Kana labot na siya. That's your first note of the melody. Watch out. Yes. Good. Very good. Now, please do it again. The same, but a little bit less on left hand and a little bit more acute on right hand. Okay, do you feel a difference? Now, sa imong feeling po, that what you are giving your right hand, what you are asking your right hand to do, you already feel a difference. Okay, so that's the basic idea. Now, those are the two things I would like you to go away with from today here. Musical singing tone for the middle part, and then strength and speed for the first part. Okay, that's it. That's the whole thing for that piece. Okay. Okay, you are welcome. Sige, tanaw na to. Sige.